And let's look at this week's postures more in detail. Last week we started with fist under elbow. Well, we ended with fist under elbow, and now we're completing it. And so we really took our time with this, as we should. So I hope you get a good idea of what we're looking for, what's going on, what the application is, where the mind should be. And this really helps to hone the focus for the posture. Now, as you can see in this angle here, here when the right hand comes down, see how it's covering the whole face and the whole chest? You can see covers all the way to the left of the left side shoulder. So when you're blocking, covering, or sealing here, you can either use the forearm, the hand, and then that left hand comes out. Last time here, we'll see this. You can use it. You can use that forearm or the hand to block, and then the left hand's coming through. Any problems with the fist under elbow, just get in contact with me. Let me know. And one of my favorite postures, repulse monkey. So here we got the lower body and the upper body all combined, and we're breaking this down. So I'm doing a walking drill here, and we're walking in reverse, and showing you how to switch sides. So we're finishing turning around, just that easy. You're just shifting. So I'm right side, and then I turn around, and now I'm on the left side, and go into false stance, lift the knee. So I'm on the right side there, turn the toe on, always rotate on the heel, lifting the knee, rotating on the heel again. So turn the foot there, rotate on the heel, false stance, lift the knee for Jinji Duli, golden wrister, stands on one leg. So we're omitting the upper body, keeping the hands at the dantian, and of course you can put the hands on the side too if that helps you balance. Put the hands out to the side, dantian height, keeping them relaxed, and then just bringing the knee up. So you want to try to minimize throwing the weight and keeping the whole movement continuous. Coming up, lifting the knee, keeping it all continuous as you spin around. And this is difficult. A lot of times it depends on what surface you're using. If you're on a concrete surface outside and you have shoes on, it can be easier. If you're on mats inside, it can be difficult. Here I'm on some gravel. There's a lot of rocks there, so depending on where I'm at, it was quite difficult. So here you see reverse, false stance there, turn around. Here I drop the leg. See that reverse false stance, 4-6 stance, false stance here, lifting the knee, reverse false stance, and then back into 4-6 stance. See how I like to say that I come with the foot, and that front foot, you see that there, I rotate on the heel and kind of walk the foot back. Over here I walk the foot. So let's see. Now we're doing, we're balancing. So before you even start to spin, get a good feeling of the balance. Get a good feeling of balancing. So just lift the knee and then set it down. Right here, from 4-6 stance to false stance, lift the knee and balance. And then put it back down. Lift the knee, bring the back hand up, and feel that balance there. See how both palms are up there? So since you're balancing on that left leg right there, the hands spread out front and back should give you a good feeling of balancing. It's kind of like walking a tightrope in which you have the long rod to the sides. Here the hands are front and back as you're retreating back, lifting the knee. I would say do that a few times and then spin on the heel. Now we're doing a 180-degree spin on the heel. And this is just going to help in Repulse the Monkey, because you're having to spin all the way around. If you can do this, then you can do Repulse Monkey. So you can see the angle there. I'm spinning all the way around 180 degrees. Try to make it one continuous motion again, spin. And for here, you might need to throw the weight just a little bit. And that's okay. It's okay for this drill. False stance, knee. And here you can also see here how I close the spine. Watch when I lift the knee, I close the spine, and that allows me to grab the balance in the center just a bit more. So a false stance, spin, and I open the quad in order to spin. I lift the knee, watch this, lift the knee, open the quad, and then I spin. So that helps the spin when you lift the knee, open the quad, and open the knee out to the side. That helps the spin, helps the momentum. And now we're looking at the upper body. This is similar to brush knee. The chest work is similar to brush knee. Also that backhand as you reach around. So remembering the application of the front hand, it's as if you're being grabbed on the wrist, you coil, and then the backhand's coming to break the grab. So you can hit the wrist or hit the forearm of the opponent when they grab you, or you can slide up the hand, slide up this hand to the opponent's arm, and you can either do a strike, a palm strike, or a eye poke, whatever you see fit. Chest open, so coil here, chest open, large, open, chest close, and then chest open again as you complete the movement. Coil very softly. There's a little bit of settling of the wrist here as you press at the end. Soft coil, open the chest, reach around. Bring the hand to the ear, close and then open the chest. You can see the hands are balanced, pushing and pulling. One hand pushes, the other hand pulls. Right hand's retracting, pulling, right hand's pushing. And now we're combining everything. Lift the knee, reach back. This will help your balance. Lift the knee, reach back. Close the spine. Lift the knee, reach back, close the spine. Spin, bring the hand around, open the chest here. See how you retract, you retreat, and you press away. So I press away and I'm retreating at the same time as I press away. Turning around. So I press away and then I retract. Hope that helps you guys. Let me know if you have any problems with that. In the last week of February, we're continuing in part 2. So we're going with diagonal flying and we're repping it out. We're just making Qigong drills to do diagonal flying. And as we usually do, break it down into lower body drills and upper body drills. Looking at the application, and like as we usually do, sticking with the fundamentals. What's the body structure doing? What are the bows doing? Balancing and spinning. Here we're looking at the arm lock for lift hands, grabbing, kicking, punching. So look forward to that. Thanks for watching. See you soon.